Okay, so I'm doing the Introduction to Molecules lab, and I've already prepared everything. So I'm going to start with activity 1, which is the Lewis dot structure. And so I'm just going to choose the first 3 from group 1 to draw the Lewis dot structures for. So the first one is, the chemical formula is BeCl2. And then I'm just going to go ahead and set this up for all of them. And then the second one is BF3. And then the third is CH4. All right. Okay, so for BeCl2, the central atom is going to be Be. The dot diagrams for each of them. So Be, beryllium, has 2 electrons. And Cl has 7s, and there's 2 of them. So Be is just gonna have the 2. Cl is gonna have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And so then for the Lewis dot structure, it's gonna be Be with Cl on both sides, and that's gonna be a total of 16 electrons. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So there's going to be double bonds so that beryllium still has its octet. And so then Cl will each have 4 electrons plus the 2 double bonds, which is going to give it 8 as well. Okay. And then for BF3, the central atom is going to be B, boron. And then, So boron has 3, and then you have 7 times 3, because fluorine each has 7, so it's a total of 24, but boron's going to have the 3, and then fluorine is going to have 7. Okay, so B is going to be in the middle, then you're going to have an F on each side, or on 3 of the sides. And so that's, again, it's a 24 total, so 1, 2. So fluorine is going to have its octet, and then there's going to be 1 fluorine with it sharing a double bond, so that boron has its octet as well, and then it also still has 8. Okay, and then the last one, CH4. So carbon has 4. Oops. So carbon has 4 valence electrons, and then hydrogen each has 1, so there's going to be a total of like 1 times 4, so 4, so a total of 8 valence electrons. But hydrogen only wants 2, so it makes it easier. Okay, so carbon's going to be in the middle. We're going to have 4 H's, 1 on each side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So carbon has its octet, and each hydrogen has 2 electrons surrounding it. So that's that. Okay. Okay, and so that's the Lewis dot structure. And so I'm following the guidelines for it because I also already know how to do it, so it makes it a little easier. So now for the electron domain geometry, I have the balloons. So we're going to inflate a balloon and tie it at the end. one balloon. I'm going to do another one about the same size. Okay, so then I'm going to tie these two balloons together in a knot. Okay, so this is representative of the linear domain, and I'm going to take a picture of it. Okay, so that's the linear. Okay, and then if I add another one, then I'll make this the 3. So then now this is representative of the trigonal planar. Okay, and so I'm going to keep going until we get the tetrahedral, trigonal, and octahedral balloons. Okay.